Hi guys, it is me, Arian, and today we will play some Peace Wars Simulator with my friends. You can't hear them, but you can see the chat, but you can barely see it. So yeah, see that. This is Bob the Enderman. Subscribe to him. His name is Viofanto. I will send the link later after I finish this video. So and there's my friend. My friend is gonna go to where are you going? Where are you going, Diane?
I'm doing a memory match.
Yeah, he's gonna do a memory match, guys. Oh, my. Why no? Why no?
Hey guys, be ready. I'm gonna summon something very good that will get you so much honey.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Let Danny join. Quick, Danny join.
Alright, my friend's brother is gonna join, so yeah. His name is what is his name again? Danish. Yes, he doesn't have a channel, but it's his brother. So anyways, let's go continue this grind. Okay, today we are gonna be grinding to get, of course, a legendary bee. If I get a legendary bee, I will end this video, okay? So no matter how long it takes, we're gonna do it, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna go to my beehive. This time I don't have plenty of royal jellies, but I'm gonna use only like what, 3 or 5. Oh yeah, here's my friend.
Your rascal and your rat.
My
You have like a long one.
Rascal bee.
Rascal, yeah, rascal bee.
The level 6.
Wait, what am I fast? It's a haste token. Oh wait, I got it from one of my.
I got hasty bee. Alright, it's not good. Bumblebee. I am like a red hive, right? So yeah, I'm a red hive. Honeybee.
No, don't be a red hive. No, keep that.
Keep honeybee.
Don't become into a red hive yet. I have learned that becoming into such a hive in yours is very, very bad.
Oh.
No, I can't be any other hive. I can only be red hive in the start.
Alright guys, we're gonna go get some stuff in the clover field, which is basically a mix between all of these. And today we will get a legendary pet, as you know already. But in the next video, I will be grinding to get a faster boot, because my boots are really lame because they're like a normal boot. But we're gonna get them soon.
Guys, look in chat.
Oh, all right. My friend said look in the chat. Ooh, werewolf. Ooh, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, he's gonna start something. A meteor! A mythic meteor. Oh, I see it. Where is it going? Dandelion. There it is.
Where?
There it is. The dandelion. Really close.
I'm far away, guys. Why do you need to do stuff that's far away from me?
Dandelion.
It's random. We don't know where it's gonna spawn.
Oh, we got royal jelly. Thank you. Oh, we got another big one.
Is it end? Not yet. No, still going.
My friends are talking right now, so you can't hear them, but you can barely hear them both. So, ooh, big one. Boom, look at that. Collect all this stuff. Oh, baby!
Honey. Like a load of honey. There'll be tokens that spawn. And then you have to collect them when you hit them. When you hit the meteor, there'll be tokens.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go like get all these meteors, so yeah, I'm gonna stop the video. Alright guys, we are back to the honey. Alright, there's a honey storm by my friends, but I don't want to get it because I have too much honey. You know, like it can get infinite amount. So we finished our grinding. So this time I have 4 jellies. Okay, and I'm gonna go back to my hive so I can use them. All right. So my friends are gonna be talking to me, even though you can't hear them, but they're gonna talk to me and see keep it or not. All right, I'm gonna make my honey while doing this. All right, make my honey. All right. For now, we're gonna go to the eggs and see that. That's a royal jelly. Wait, we have to stop making honey because this is wait. Alright, Diane, where should we put this?
What?
Where should we put the royal jelly? I have a royal jelly right now.
Use it on one of your rat beans. The ones that isn't gifted.
Joanne, let me check which one's a raspberry. I forgot. Alright,
I got two neon berries.
Alright, rat bee,
Okay.
let's go. We got stubborn bee. Is it good or like change?
Keep it. And
Alright.
keep the different type. For now.
Alright, then I have like 3 more royal jellies. Should I keep them or choose like another one?
I don't know if you want to keep on going.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna get this dub. I'm gonna try to get a rare one. A rascal bee. Alright, hasty bee. Bumblebee.
Hey guys, is there a way
Alright.
for me to get a prong?
What?
A 7-pronged cod.
Oh, that one is the event. The Ready Player 2 event. Oh yeah, you still haven't done it yet. You can get a free star jelly with it.
How?
Oh, that's gonna take a very, very long time.
What do you need to do?
Okay, so hold on. Let me just send you links. Let me just not links. I'm gonna tell you the you have to redeem code to get the crop. So let me just look up in the codes.
God, I already used all the codes. And I only got 6.
No, you have to use one more.
Wait, what? There's one more?
Yes.
What is it called?
Hold on. Ready play. Hold on. Ready player 2. Hold on.
Alright guys, my friends are talking to get the Ready Player 2 event. I already did that. And I got a star jelly. This is where I got the fire bee, I think. So alright, the problem is we need to get a legendary, which is gonna take a bit long, so we're gonna instead change that to get a boots. So this is a bit confusing, but alright, let's go get the boots. I just need to go back there.
Okay. So let me send you the thing.
The reason why I need boots so I can run even faster. This is like a bit slow, so it's really hard to get some showers, some meteor showers. So that's the problem there. So I'm gonna go get these stuff. Oh yeah, see that? That's I need to get a start. I think I need to get the jelly up there, man. I want to get the jelly or star jelly. Yep, it's a star jelly there. Ah, werewolf, I forgot about that. Okay, alright, okay. Chill, werewolf, You can't go out, right? You can't, yeah, you can't go out. Yeah, you idiot, die. Alright, we did it. Oh, we got the man.
So I think I have the hasty guard and a bomber guard.
We can go.
Is that good?
Probably because those are guards, right? Okay, hold on. So, I already sent all the codes. Try out every single one and see which one you haven't done yet.
I'm on mobile, so that's gonna be a pain. Okay, can you tell me all the codes? I'll do it.
Okay.
Tell me all the codes and I'll do it.
Dysentery.
How do you spell it?
Oh, never mind. Hold up.
Alright, okay, my friends are talking about it again. Alright, let's check. We can't get the boot! We need the, I think I already, nope, it's...
Okay, so, DY.
Oh, this is gonna take billions of years just to get these, oh my god. Hey, Diane, do you know, another boot? Or, that's the only boot I can get? I need to know. Diane, can you please tell me, is there any other boots that I can get? I need a boot.
What kind of boot do you have?
I don't know, I am level, okay, get this. I have at least, I have 25 bees.
Receiver, man. I literally just got the prong using Dysentery. Oh my god, you stay. it is.
So it will give you like a code, and you have to remember the code. Okay.
Oh no, this is gonna be hard for me. I can't remember that much. Look inside the computer. Let's see what it says. Smile. Sad. It's sad. Okay. Yeah. Sad. And I just see the seating question mark. The and okay. Okay. So what do I need to do now?
So,
Okay, so you remember it?
Yeah, I remember it. The first one is
Go to the dandelion field and collect
alright guys, we're
pollen.
gonna end this video, but I'll make a part 2 if I can, alright? Okay, guys. Alright guys. Bye. See you in the next video. Peace out.